Today we're going to talk about the IPC Eagle 1280 vacuum rider sweeper. We're going to start with the power source, which is located inside the machine. The IPC Eagle TK1280 comes with multiple battery packs to choose from. It's a 24 volt system, which can have two 12 volts or four 6 volts. Based on what battery pack you choose, you can get 2 hours to 5 hours of continuous runtime, cleaning from 60,000 square feet up to 300,000 square feet. So now let's talk about the inside of the machine. The first motor turns the main broom. The second motor is the hydraulic pump that will lift the hopper to dump the debris. The last is the fan that will create the vacuum to control the dust, pulling the air through the filter. Underneath this panel is our curtain filter made out of polyester. It will filter down to 5 microns. To dump the hopper, we have a hydraulic lift, which can go all the way up to a standard dumpster to get rid of the debris. To get to the main broom, it requires no tools. So simply go to the side panel and remove these 2 knobs. Once the knobs are removed, I remove the side panel. Removing this final knob allows us to get to the broom plate and getting to the main broom. The broom is a chevron design. It's an overthrow sweeper, so the broom goes against the forward motion, grabbing the debris and throwing it into the hopper. This unit has a 48-inch vacuum sweeping path, utilizing both side brooms to do the edging, bringing the material to the middle so that the main broom can pick it up and put it into the hopper. This is your accelerator pedal. This pedal allows you to raise your front debris flap. This is your 2-function brake pedal, to stop the unit or to park the unit. To lower your side broom, pull out the side broom lever and lower. Each side broom comes with a resettable breaker to protect the motor. This unit comes with an emergency power kill switch. To lower your main broom, simply push forward on the lever. To power up the unit, insert the key and turn it on. This knob right here controls the forward and reverse motion when you hit the accelerator. This controls the speed of the unit when you push the accelerator. This is your horn. There's an optional light. This toggle switch will raise and lower your hopper. This allows you to shake your filter. This controls your vacuum on and off, and this is your hour meter control. For more information, please contact us at the information below.